Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical.
In weekly chart, bearish Harami inside candle is formed, and on daily chart, bearish engulfing is formed. On hourly time frame, bullish engulfing is formed at previous breakout level. Can go long above 18,515 with stop loss below trend line, and if breaks trend line then can short sell. On daily chart, hanging man candlestick is formed, which indicates potential reversal after significant up move. On hourly chart, bullish engulfing is formed at previous breakout level. Can go long with stop loss of 80 to 90 points. Stock is forming higher high and higher low. Can go long with stop loss below 1188. Stock was trading in range and now broke trend line and now retesting trend line. Can short with stop loss above 892. Breakout of trend line. Can go long above 836 with stop loss of 4 to 5 points. Stock trading near trend line can give breakout. Can go long above 2760 with stop loss below 2745. Stock trading near resistance zone, if gives breakout, can go long with stop loss of 18 to 20 points.
For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.